Hey guys, it's E here from Virginia Grace Living. So I'm out in my greenhouse right now today. It's a little rainy and nasty outside, but that's all right. We got a nice cover. It's decently warm in here. And so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm actually going to be starting some pepper seeds. So it's fairly early still. I like to start mine a little bit early so that they're good size when they get in the ground. I do a lot with the peppers, so I make hot sauce and other things, so it really is advantageous for me personally to have them a little bit earlier so I can start getting a little bit earlier harvest. I'm starting some seeds. I wanted to show you guys how I plan on doing that. I plan on making my own seed starting mix today. This will be my first time doing that, and I'm just going to kind of share with you the process that I'm going to do. I've always just kind of used those, you know, little small bags of prepared seed starting mix in the past, and they work fine. But you know, it's $5-6 a bag. You only really get 2 trays maybe out of it, and I start a lot of seeds here, so I really plan on starting more this year than I did in the past. So I'm going to share with you how I plan on doing that. Stick around for the rest of the video and you'll see how it goes. These are going to be what we're using. I just got a simple 5-gallon bucket to mix up our mix in, our seed starting mix. We're going to have some perlite, some vermiculite, and then I got a big thing of sphagnum peat moss. So this is going to be the major body of the seed starting mix, and then this will help keep the soil aerated, and this will help keep some moisture within the soil. So drainage and water retention, and then, you know, just kind of make up the body of the soil. So what I'm going to do is just kind of get this cracked open, put a good bit in here, and just throw some handfuls of each of these in there and get it mixed up. I don't have a scientific measurement. I'm sure if you look online and you want to find a more precise recipe for seed starting mix, you can find that. I, on the other hand, kind of just know what I want it to look like, so I'm just going to go by, you know, sight. So let's get that cracked open and start to mix this up. So this peat moss comes in here pretty compressed. If you've ever bought it, you'll know. I've used it for other items, but I've never made my own seed starting mix. So if you want to take and sift this, you can do that as well. I'm not really going to do that. I'm just going to kind of pick off any big clumpy pieces off the back if I need to. So let's start to get some of this in here. And I really just need enough for 3 trays right now, so I don't need to mix up this whole entire bucket. But we'll get this mixed up. We got our perlite here. Again, I'm just going to kind of put a nice handful or 2 in here. These clumps, kind of break up those clumps as best you can. Toss that around. And here at this point, if you want, if you feel like, yeah, I don't have enough of this or that, some time to kind of throw a little bit more in, if you want. It might be alright. And again, I might put a little more, 1 more handful each in. You can see this stuff's actually really fine. This is pretty much like what you would buy as a seed starting mix, and just this bucket right here would be, I don't know, $6-7, right? I may have spent a little bit more on all those materials, but I'm gonna get, I don't know, 10 to 20 times more out of this. So let's put a little bit more, 1 more handful of the vermiculite, and 1 more handful of the perlite. we're gonna go ahead and get these soaked.
Yep, this bowl of water.
All right, so we've been letting this kind of soak for a little bit, and I'm gonna be starting these 48 cells each of peppers. I have a very large variety of peppers, so I'm not gonna go through the entire list because that would kind of just drag on the video. I will show you some of the peppers that I'm going to be starting, and then throughout the growing season, just follow along and you'll see some of the really cool varieties we're going to be growing. So I will highlight a couple of really neat ones. Let me see what all I have here. All right, so this is from White Hot Peppers, a guy that sells some really interesting crosses and some different things. Some of these are not stabilized, but they will be interesting anyways. But this one I'm really excited. The Jolokia Sugar Rush Peach. So Jolokia is like the ghost pepper basically. So we're looking at that with the Sugar Rush Peach, which was really good, nice mix, and the Swiss chocolate. We're also going to be growing some Big Jim's. New mix of Big Jim peppers.
And everyone will want to do that.
Joey Parker is another one. These are from Jim Duffy, Refining Fire Chilies. Check them out. Lots of good stuff on that site. I mean, you could buy peppers 10 times and not buy all the peppers you want from Jim. But really cool guy, and check out that site. I'll put the links to some of the places I got pepper seeds from today in the description. And then some of them are just saved seeds from friends and family. Like this was from my buddy Brian down in Alabama. These seeds did so well for me last year. These are just a regular orange habanero that he nicknamed Hoyt. So we're going to grow a good many Hoyts this year because they were just super productive, nice, beautiful, solid orange pods. So we'll do that because I like to make a lot of things with habaneros as kind of a base in the hot sauce. Really good stuff. All right. So plenty of other ones that we're going to be trying out this year, guys. And like I said, I don't want to go through the entire list just because it's going to take forever. All right, guys. So like I said, there are a ton of peppers that I'm going to be growing. I'm not going to show you all of them. You know, I got 3 different flats, and I'm doing multiple different ones in each flat. So yeah, I mean, this one was good last year. It's just like a nice red snacking pepper. Just kind of flash some in front of you. This Ajvarsky was great. Calgarista. These are from Baker Creek. Again, I'll put the description in the description. I'll put the links to different places that I'm getting seeds. And we're gonna get some of these seeds started. Are you ready to plant some seeds, Amber?
Yeah, I've been waiting for a long time.
All right. What about you guys? In the video,
Let's go first. Dad, can we do this one?
Guys, look at this.
Levi is an artist.
Yep.
So he loves to draw sharks.
Hey, we both do art
Megalodon.
things.
That's a megalodon he just drew. How awesome is that?
Daddy.
And then we got Noah. All these guys are future farmers and homesteaders. They're gonna help grow all the food and stuff.
I like planting and I like coloring.
Yeah. All right, let's get to planting.
I'm the big.
Guys, well, that's pretty much all there is for this video today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, go ahead and hit that like and thumbs up on the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and check the description below so you can see all the valuable links that I placed there, just for any information maybe that was covered during the video. If you wanted to visit our Amazon shop, anything like that. It all helps out the channel. It helps us to continue to put out videos and to grow as a channel. But again, guys, this is just a simple thing. I hope that you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching, and God bless.